everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1966 Pontiac GTO. Nice car, guys. Got beautiful factory Regimental red car. Car's got gorgeous paint on it. Black vinyl black vinyl interior. It is a PHS Documented Original 242 GTO, 70,000 original miles. Now the car has been repainted. It's had one repaint, but again, this is the factory color. But a lot of this car is actually original. You know, there's been some upgrades. They put Flowmaster exhaust on it. It's got radial red lines on it. But like, I think a lot of the chrome, the stainless, I think a lot of the interior is original on this car. Of course, it's got the Rally 1 wheels, which I love. It's got, those are BF Goodrich Silvertown radial red lines, so they do drive good instead of the old bias plies. Those bias plies got a good look, but doggone it, they just do not drive the best. Nice car though, man. Good, solid, straight body. I don't think this car has ever had any patch panels put in it. Really a good car, and when you look at it, you can nitpick. You know, the trim on the car is original, the bumpers are original. It's got 3 of the 4 original T3 headlights in it, guys. But good car, man. Again, it is a real car, original 242 GTO, and it is a factory red car. It's got the matching numbers, 3D9, 335 horse engine that it was born with. I think the whole drivetrain's original. Factory power glide, automatic trans, factory 308 10-bolt rear end. It's actually a factory air car, but the air is off of it. The original compressor, and I think the dryer is in the trunk here in a box. And one thing I can tell you about this car, man, does it hit the road good. I mean, it really runs and drives excellent. Nice and flat down the sides. Good car, guys. I love the Rally ones. Pretty car. Again, this is the correct motor, 3D9, 335 horse engine, factory YS code. It's even got the original air cleaner and chrome valve covers. You can see the, you know, but we left it alone. I didn't want this car to be, you know, again, over detailed on it. I kind of left it alone, left it how I got it. Original Harrison radiator with a shroud, power steering, power brakes. Again, the original air box is still in there, so if a guy wants to put AC back on it, you definitely can do that. Factory intake and exhaust manifolds. Like I say, really hits the road good. Jordan's actually driven this thing more than I have, and that's the first thing he says every time he walks back into the building when he's driving it is, man, that car hits the road good. Original A-pillar chrome, pretty darn nice. Original mirror. Again, all this stuff is original. Original door handles. Like I say, I think this carpet's original. I think the sill plates are original. Bucket seats, console, factory wood grain dash. It's got all the correct Fisher body seat belts in it. $70,426. Factory tach engage car, AM radio. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust, factory 10-bolt rear end. The numbers still there on the quarters. Same thing on this side. Spare, it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Again, this is your AC pump. I think, like I say, I think the little, what do you call it's in there as well. Floors are original. Doors open and close real nice. The fit and finish on the car is very nice. I mean, you can see there's little marks in the seats, but I mean, I think it's original, guys. The light in the console works. Yeah, just a good running 389, guys. I mean, like I say, hits the road good. Of course, has that belt squeaks on it. This car's cracking me up sometimes. Tach works. The tail lights in 66. We got a bulb out on that side for but the backup lights you can see do work. Like I say, just a good car, man. I remember, I think, did this radio come on? Yeah. Yeah, it works. Blower motor works.
USB hook.
Oh, it's underneath. I saw it. It's stick. Yeah, there's a little plug-in underneath. Yep. No on the wipers. We have to check on the wipers. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new one of these videos. That is a good looking car, man.